Importing from the 1688 mobile app can sometimes be very challenging, especially when it comes to the language. Oh, yes. But let's give reverence or let's give thanks to the current technologies and the developers of the 1688 mobile app for integrating the artificial intelligence onto their import portal. That's the 1688 mobile app. If, for instance, you are one person that you've been importing from the 1688 mobile app, or you've been hoping to import from the 1688 mobile app, and for whatever reason, the language has been a barrier, then sit back as I have this tutorial practically made for you. In this very tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can take advantage of the introduction of the artificial intelligence, which enables your 1688 mobile interface to be translated to English. Not fully, though, they are rolling this update step by step. So, guys, in this very tutorial, also, I'm going to be addressing the reason why your 1688 mobile interface is not able to translate. So stay tuned as I walk you through this very tutorial. If today is your first time coming across this channel, I'm the person of Efo Jimado, the founder of Money Smile GH. So without much ado, let me take my smartphone, just as you can see. Then I hover onto the 1688 mobile app, just as you can see. So you see me scrolling down. So where I am at this very moment, I am on the interface of the 1688 mobile app. So what I need to do from this very interface is to click on the me icon or the dashboard where it has circled or where the arrow is pointing. So I click there. When it brings me to this very interface, what I need to do from here, if for instance your 1688 mobile app hasn't translate to English, or you see where we have the van with 1 and where we have the 5, those sections has not translated. Probably the artificial intelligence on your device has not been activated. So how do I do this thing? So when I get to this very interface, I click on the setting icon at the very top. So I click at that place where it has circled. I click there, and it brings me to this very interface. From this very interface, you can see among the options where we have AI. Yes, AI. So with this Chinese character, so I click there. When you click on it and you come to see that where you've seen AI with a Chinese character, then the toggle at the right side where it has circled, if it is not toggled like the second one, what you need to do from here is to toggle it, just as I have done. Now, having toggled it, you come back. Then the next thing you need to do from here is to come and look at the version of the 1688 mobile app that you are using. The version that you are using. If you are using version 11.35.1, the truth of the matter is your system won't be able to accept the current update. Why? Because it could also be that the smartphone you are using, being it Android or iPhone, you haven't updated it iOS. So for example, if you are using an Android phone with the Android version 13, 12, or 11, I don't think it's gonna accept the current update with respect to the artificial intelligence that has been integrated into the 1688 mobile app. So what I need to do from here is to try to update my 1688 mobile app and see whether or not my um, app will update. So let me click where I see where it has circled, where I see 11.335.1. So I click there. You see a pop-up came. Probably it means there is no update for this particular phone that I'm using at this very moment. Oh yes. So it means I've toggled the AI everything correctly. So when I go back, let me just go back and see what is happening. So you can see from my interface with some blue thing like that of the eye of an ant. It means I have enabled or toggled the artificial intelligence that has been integrated into the 1688 mobile app. So when I come to this interface and it is not, I refresh and it is not translating, it means probably the phone that I am using or the phone you are using, its firmware or its version does not meet the requirement of the current update of the 1688 mobile app. So guys, if you are watching me, those of you who have been asking the question why I try updating my 1688 mobile app and it is not updating and all sort of things. Then the truth of the matter here is as a result of the version of your phone. However, those that are using the iPhones, you know, they can update so they can get their things. So awesome. So guys, without much ado, let's just take a classical look at, in my next tutorial, let's just take a classical look at how you can how do you call it, take advantage of this artificial intelligence that has been integrated into the 1688 mobile app to enable you buy, pay and ship from the 1688 mobile app. So in my next tutorial, just check in the description of this very video, as I'll leave it right there so that you can take advantage of it and also make judicious use of the current era as far as we live in today's era of ever increasing rapidity of technology. If today is your first time coming across my channel, I'm the person of Efo Jumado, the founder of Money Smart GH. Check in the description of this tutorial for useful link. If you are here and you are not following me on my WhatsApp channel, you are missing out a lot, because on my WhatsApp channel I share legit links, tutorials to credible or reliable suppliers where you can buy, pay and ship anything of your choice. Yes, if today is your first time, or you find value in this very tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe to stay updated as and when I drop a new video. See you in my next tutorial.